Explained here how you will get a career in cybersecurity field. Cybersecurity is a field that is becoming increasingly important as more and more of our lives move online. As such, there is a high demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals. Here are some detailed steps to take to get started in a career in cybersecurity. Education and certification. Education is a fundamental step in building a career in cybersecurity. You will need to have a strong foundation in computer science, information technology, or a related field. Consider pursuing a degree in one of these fields or taking courses in cybersecurity specifically. Some universities offer cybersecurity programs that will give you the skills you need to get started in the field. Additionally, consider obtaining a certification in cybersecurity, such as the CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. This will help you demonstrate your knowledge and expertise in the field. Build technical skills. In cybersecurity, you will need to be familiar with a variety of technical skills. You should have a deep understanding of networking, operating systems, and programming languages. Familiarize yourself with firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and security software. Consider taking courses or attending workshops to learn about these tools and techniques. Gain practical experience. Practical experience is essential to building a successful career in cybersecurity. Look for internships or entry-level positions in cybersecurity, either in a corporate or government setting. You can also volunteer for nonprofit organizations or contribute to open-source projects related to cybersecurity. This will help you build a strong portfolio and gain real-world experience. Stay current with industry developments. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. Read industry publications, attend conferences and seminars, and participate in online forums and communities. This will help you stay current with emerging technologies and threats and give you a better understanding of the field. Networking is an essential aspect of building a career in cybersecurity. Attend industry conferences, join professional organizations, and participate in online forums and communities. This will help you build relationships with other professionals in the field and learn about job opportunities. In conclusion, a career in cybersecurity requires a combination of education, technical skills, practical experience, staying current with industry developments, and networking. If you are interested in pursuing a career in this field, take the time to develop these skills, gain experience, and build your network. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful career in cybersecurity.